Welcome back to my channel where looking good it's not equal to breaking the bank. Today's video I'm going to be sharing two items that I received from an Amazon seller. There are two different brands from the same seller from Amazon. The most important thing about these two brands I'm about to present today to you is that they are very versatile and at the same time they are very affordable. The first one I'll be presenting to you all is the earrings. The brand is called I think Cheryl. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but I'm going to surely put it on the screen. Also, I'm going to be putting in the description box the link to these two items that I am featuring today. I'll put them in the description box so as for you to be able to follow them directly in order if you're interested in any of the item. Remember, they are from two different brands but the same seller from Amazon. So the first earring that I'm presenting to you is called a gold long pearl earrings for women. It's 18 karat gold plated drop dangling earrings, adjustable trader, elegant earring for party and weddings. On the side you will see they have different styles of this earring that I'm featuring now. They're so beautiful, they're very elegant, very light. The most important thing that I like about this earring is because you can adjust it to your own taste, how long you want it to be or how short you want it to be. You can actually go from day to night with this earring. I love the versatility of this earring and they are very affordable. Don't forget, I'm going to leave the link in the description box just in case if you're going to be interested. They are really beautiful. I love the way it feels. Of course, they are not heavy as well, and for the fact that you can dress it down or dress it up in the sense that they are adjustable, I love that about the earrings. So I'm going to be moving on to the next one, which is the necklace. This came in a transparent bag like you're looking at it already and in a pouch. This brand is called Doreen Beads. I love the how portable the pouch is, and also when you bring it out from inside of the pouch, it came in a transparent bag as well. It's really beautiful. I love how it looks. It's 18 karat gold plated sun moon star pendant necklace. They come in different styles. The one I'm featuring today is called Daisy and Bumblebee. It's really light, and the most amazing thing about this one is you can also adjust it to your taste, how you want it to be. If you want it to be long, you can do that, and if you want it to be shorter, you can do that. Also, if you want it to look like a choker, you can also do that, which I feel like it's really elegant and sexy at the same time. I really love the versatility of these two products that was sent to me by this Amazon seller. Remember, I said they are two different brands but they are from the same seller. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. Look at how this is looking on my neck. It's so gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's elegant, it's very light, it's very versatile, and the most important thing is it's very affordable. You know, this channel is all about looking good without breaking the bank, and those are kind of the things I'm going to be featuring. This actually was sent to me to review. All right, and you all know me that I like to be honest with my reviews. I'm going to use these products with time. I will let you know how they are holding up, if they are still blinging, you know, if they are still shining and they're still golden. I will let you know. That is my priority when it comes to products. I don't care where I got it from. If I purchase it or it's sent to me, I want to be transparent. I want to be honest with my review. The worst that can happen is that particular brand will not want to work with me again, but I'll rather let you have it as it is so that you can save your money and, you know, add in money. Money is not easy to come by like that. We all work for it. So my aim, my goal, my purpose on this channel is to make sure whatever I feature, regardless of the source of how I got them, I want to be honest with you all. So I'm going to be using these two jewelries, you know, like every other, maybe like twice a week or every other day like that. and see how it's interacting with my body oil. Because most of the time the reason why your gold plated, because they are not real gold, they are gold plated, the reason why they change in color is because of how they are kind of interacting with your body oil. And if it's mixing up with it and it started changing color, then you all know what the result is already, because I wouldn't want to wear something that doesn't look good anymore. So ladies, I am promising you I am going to come back to let you know how these two are holding up. I will make sure I use them, just don't keep them there, so that I can be able to give you a good feedback. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. If you're coming across my channel for the first time and you like this content, please give this content a like, and also please subscribe so you don't miss any video from me. Don't forget also, if you like it and you think it's going to be helpful for anybody out there, do not forget to share as well. Thank you all so much for watching. Please leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. Also, don't forget to share the link. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.